Great big bang and dinosaurs, fiery rain and meteors. It all ends unfortunately, but you're gonna live forever in me, I guarantee. Just wait and see.